Hey guys, it's Ivy, and we are in Walgreens looking at their clearance deals. They got more clearance stuff out, so I just came over here to see what else they had on clearance. Because remember, them coupons work fantastic. The first thing I saw was this Funko Pop for $3, and everybody liked these little things. $3. I like that. But let's start looking. Okay, so they toy owl is back up again. A lot of their toys was $1. You saw Scrattles, top dollars, but some of these I don't think is $1. So, okay, guys, what is going on? It's just the hand sanitizer emporium because look at that. But I'm looking for the 50-cent hand sanitizer. So it was 50 cents. And I do not see the price of it. They supposedly had hand sanitizer. This is a hand sanitizer for 50 cents. I do not see it in here. I do not see no 50-cent hand sanitizer. That's what I was coming for. But if nevertheless they still have some more good deals, so let's go and get those good deals and forget about this stuff. Okay. Okay, guys, here it is. All of this is 50 cents. Now this right here, this way you need to go. Now see, I done had these orange plates. I didn't have the blue ones, and I definitely don't want the white ones because I'm gonna tell you one thing. They do stain. They do stain. So this is right now. This is about the best you could do. They got plates. They got the bowls to them, and the cups. So here's the cups right here, and so these right here. So you got plates, you got the cups, you got the bowl. Refresh everything. That's basically what they're showing you. It's time to refresh. Oh, here's some more bowls. I like those. Those are like cereal bowls to me. And they got kitchen and towel accessories. These was $3.97, which is a good deal. This is another one. Kitchen accessory includes an apron, towel, mitt, and a pot holder. Okay, here's baskets they got on sale. I wonder how much they are, but look at those. They're pretty. I like them. I think that's a pretty, but I need basket with tops on. So all of these are 50 cents. 50 cents each. Perfect if you want to change all of the stuff in your house. These are new. I didn't have these little cups. See, compared to us, so I'm gonna grab some of these cups. Okay, guys, this is what I don't see that they had. Oh, found them. Found them. I want those blue little ones. So I grabbed 5 of these 50-cent cups right here. That's all I wanted. I did not. Like I could get the little cups. I'd stop getting the big giant cups because they was wasting whatever they drunk in them. And then I'm gonna get 5 plates right here. Oh, here goes some meal prep containers. There's 5 of them in here. $3.46. Let me grab some of these. My husband take all the bowls with him. Okay, so all of the Valentine's. Look at all the Valentine's Day stuff. Now remember, once Valentine's Day over, all of this going on sale. But for now, it's still good prices. It's 98 cents. Like for little stuff. Oh, these are real plastic cups. Plates. Salsas. What is that? Oh, that's glass for 98 cents. Okay. So they got like you can fix up a little thing. A gripper cutter. Look. They got the hearts out. Oh, look. They got a Valentine's Day plate. So you can make the love pops. They just cake pop. These are good. My granddaughter eat them all the time from Starbucks. So the whole Valentine's Day is nice up in here. So here you go with the Valentine's Day teddy bear. I think this is cute right here. And I'm not even a red. And I think I'm not even a red fan. They $9.98 though. That's a good price for them right there. And then you got brown ones, gray ones, the teddy bears. They be the best to have. And then you also have these big giant Valentine's Day cards. My son was born on Valentine's Day, so there you go. That's our Valentine's Day. Pretty towels that you can make into pillows. Be mine, love, great, sweet love. Hand mittens, which these are new in style. They $3.98, but you know I bought some for Christmas, guys. After Christmas, they were 25 cents. These was cheap. Oh, those are cute. I like those pink towels. If you're gonna do a pink room for a kid, make some pretty pink pillows. And I know people get tired of me saying it, but it's true. Here's a tablecloth for Valentine's Day, $3.96. All of these is $3.96. Like, look at all this Valentine's Day stuff right here. All of this candy, nerds, everything. They got so many Valentine's Day things. And here's more Valentine's Day stuff right here. Okay. Oh, there go the truck again. $14. Not when you can go to Dollar Tree. Okay, and here's another one for $3.98 right here. you want to try to grab it. But okay, what is this? This just little hearts. They $2 or something. I need them to make my Valentine's Day tree weird. But I will go to Dollar Tree and get some. Something was over here for 98-cent tinsel heart. But these are so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, Valentine's Day garland, which I need, so I'm gonna grab some of this. But I might make an all pink tree. I'm gonna decide, do I want an all pink Valentine's Day tree since I'm the only girl in the house. And here's all the Valentine's Day gifts. Look, they got them in little cups. Hello Kitty. This is $5.98. That's cute. And then you got a boy one, and this is I Love You. Oh, Scooby-Doo, $5.98. And here's some. This one is $9.98, and it's in a little box, and it's got candy. It's got a lot of cute stuff in it. Okay, that one in a box. That's cute. I'd rather do this. Sometimes you can make stuff, but I think sometimes you press for time. Go and grab what you need to grab. What's this? Macarons. 2 blender spoons, but they look like macarons though. You can't always make them up, but look at that, $3. No, just grab something right quick. Then they got all of the perfume, the makeup kits out, perfume kits, all of that. A little quick cup, hugs and kisses. $4.98. That's cute. Now I drink coffee, so that's a good mug right there for me. Oh, look at that pink Hello Cutie pie. Oh, $9.98. Teddy bears is $9.98. They got big things of teddy bears too. Look at $22 too much. But here we go on the other side right here. And Valentine's Day gift sets, $6.98. What is that? Oh, that's Starbucks. I think that'd be cute. You just get a Starbucks card and a cup. What's this one? Girl Dowdy. That's $6.98. That's cute too. And then here's just a Hershey's cup. That's cute. Okay, I like that. Friends. Oh, you're the Rachel of my Monica. That's cute. The Friends stuff. And then you want to look at, they got these. Oh, look, just make, oh, this is what I made my kids before. Okay, so they candy boxes all the way around, then at the bottom is styrofoam. Then you stick candy in the top of. Real cheap, guys, especially if you're a couponer like me and you can get the stuff for free. Perfect. Look, guys, you're a dynamite. It's hot sauce. That is $8.98. My son talking about he want this. He ain't getting no hot sauce. But look, here's the Sour Patches. Oh, look. Okay, here's another. That's Starburst. This don't cost, I'm gonna tell you, go to the dollar store, buy all your products. This don't cost you too much of nothing, but it is a great gift. So those like the best gifts right there. Oh, look, a little decorative top one. Okay, guys, that's cute. Can't nobody say he even wear glasses if you want him to. Candy. Valentine's Day is loaded for candy. Ain't it valid? That's so cute. Look. Oh my goodness. Of course, these are $1. See, you can find this type of stuff to put in. You could put it like, you know, just find your dollar stuff. That's all. Look at that. I love you very much. And it's chocolate candy in there. Now that's really cute. How much is that? $20. That's expensive. Go to the dollar store, get your teddy bear and load it up. And here's a plaid one. That is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So right now I'm gonna grab a pack of lollipops because I'm gonna make the kit, guys. If you guys want to see me make that kit back there, let me know and I will do a video on it, okay? But I have made them before. I made them several times before actually. So we're gonna grab a box of blow pops. As you can see, I'm grabbing the $2.98 stuff. So here's the Reese's Hearts. But how is it? Is it they in packages? My kids ain't really big chocolate fans. Here is the Airheads. They $2.98. Now remember, I got to make for about 5 kids. And here's the Fun Dips right here for $2.98. Okay, we're going to get a box of Trolleys. These are $2.99. These are only candies that I'm getting. I will have to go to the dollar store and get the boxes, okay? Okay, so here is Turtles, Blow Pops, whatever you want to make your boxes good. And then battle wrapping paper. So I'm gonna go and buy that, but I will be making this for Valentine's Day. Oh, look at that. It's a Dove bar. That thing is how much? Okay, look at that. Oh, that's a Hershey's milk chocolate. $2.98. You got Reese's for $2.98. So you got ring pops. You got all the stuff you need. Oh, here you go. M&M's, but they separate. I like when they whole. They in little packs, so I have to find some of that. Let's grab the Twix. This is my favorite. So we're gonna grab it up, but I'm gonna make boxes. If you guys want to see how I make them, then let me know. So guys, you could do like, you can make a big. You could even make them out of this, and then add all the boxes around it, and then put a take the boxes to the back, then put wrapping on it and paper. You can even put balloons, everything. Like we found ways, because you know this is expensive stuff right here. So we did find ways to do stuff, but. I hope you all enjoyed this Valentine's Day video. If you did, let me know and give me a thumbs up and drop a comment if you want to see me make these things. Look at it, pot of gold. So I'm just going to leave you with a little ASMR, okay? Oh.